Hello everyone, this just showed up at my door. This is the pink and main box. Now I don't know if that means that they're not coming in the little pink boxes anymore, if this one just came like this to me or what, but let's go ahead and open it up and take a look because this is the March 2020 box. All right. So they always come all cute and wrapped up in some tissue paper, and I love that. Okay, here is the card. It's your special day, and I've seen people take these cards and they just make a whole card front out of it, just kind of stick it on the front of an A2 size card, and then you already have a card ready to go. But I love these because, so the March 2020 it's celebrations, and so they have a little welcome to our celebrations kit. And then, oh, Pink and Main is celebrating 6 years in business. That's awesome. And then it says they always release something special for the anniversary, so this kit is all about celebrations. I'm very excited. And so they put the color palette on there, which I love, because then you can go through all of your stash of stuff like your enamel dots or your markers or your ink pads or, you know, whatever you have. And then you can, your embellishments, and you can kind of match them up, and that way everything kind of goes together. And then it also talks about what's in the kit, so love that. But let's put this off to the side, and we'll pull each piece out individually. Let's go ahead and we'll talk about the cardstock first. All right, so, ooh, that's fun. We have a piece of like a glitter cardstock. This is super nice. So it does have a little bit of flake off, but it is super thick, nice quality, and by a little bit I mean there's hardly anything. And this is just a piece of their sparkle sheet in silver, and it's not just like silver, there is like a little rainbow in there, like a prism of all kinds of colors, and hopefully it's not making my camera go wackadoodle, but isn't that neat? That's pretty. All right, so you get a whole like 5.5 by 8.5 sheet of that. Then we have our cardstock. It looks like these are a couple in like an ivory color. We have orange. We have a really pretty purple. And these are textured. That's fun. I always love it when they're textured. This one is not textured. This yellow one is not. That one's by Basil. And then we have this pink one. Oh, it's like a hash texture. These ones have like a line texture, and then this one has a line texture too, but look at those colors. Those are really, really pretty. Okay. Very pretty. All right, now let's pull out some of our embellishments. I love how they come in a bag too. That's really cool. So then you can kind of take all your stuff on the go, which sometimes I tend to be on the go, that's for sure. Oh, the cute little button is a present, so it is a flare button. Nice. All right, here we have, oh, look at the party sequins. Those are fun. Those are pretty colors too. So check out the colors of the sequins. And there's always so many in here. I always have so many left over, which is great. But it looks like we have some, almost like a, between a lime and a yellow. Probably more yellow. And then we have like a navy, a turquoise, a pink, and a clear. Those are pretty. We also have, oh golly, those are gorgeous. We have the enamel dots, and they come in like circles, and they also come in hearts. I love that. And all those really pretty colors. And then we have the ribbon. Oh, those are pretty. I love polka dot ribbon. Oh, and the hearts. Look at that. So it looks like there's 1 yard of each, and there's a plain one. Love the colors of that. And as I said before, in case you haven't heard me say it, you don't always have to use the ribbon on your cards. A fun thing to do with the ribbon is when you have like a stack of cards that say you want to give as a hostess gift, you can take some of your ribbon and tie it up that way. And so then everything matches, which is really fun. Oh my gosh, look at those. This is the Celebrations chipboard stickers. So not only are they chipboard, these are also stickers, and they're super fun and detailed. Like I love this whole banner of candles, and then we have some cake, a couple presents, a hat, And you have 5 hearts, you've got these candles over here. So you've got Make-A-Wish and It's Your Special Day. So those are fun. Last time I used up almost all of the stickers. Okay, let's take a look at the paper. You know what, I'm going to open this from the top because this is not bound like the last one was. So let's just open it from the top. This is what I like to do with a lot of my stamps and dies and whatnot. Okay, let's pull that out. So 6x6 pattern pad, and it's 24 sheets of paper. Ooh, and they're double-sided. So that is beautiful. Clearly it matches the chipboard stickers really nicely. Love that pattern. And then the back is gray polka dots. So I love that you won't necessarily have to try to choose. That's fun. And then the candles, those are so pretty. And then that one is, ooh, an orange gingham. And then we have the presents. So I love how you have this really detailed one, and then you have, ooh, yellow polka dots. One that's not so detailed. That's gorgeous. That's pretty. Flip that one over. Oh, and then we have like the little streamers. Pretty. And then we have like a blue gingham. That's fun because then you can cut these out as strips for borders like that. And then we have the blue polka dots. This is a little bit tighter knit pattern here. Orange polka dots. Stripes. Oh, fun. Sprinkles. That's pretty. We like that one too. And then the orange with the streamers. And we have the pink polka dots. And we have this really pretty plaid pattern. And then more polka dots with different colors. And then we have the sprinkles and purple polka dots. So lots of choices here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15, 16, 17, 20, 22, 24. 24 choices for different patterns. So that's fun. I like that a lot. Like me some choices. Okay. You're going to get 4 envelopes. So that's always great. Right out of the gate, you can send out 4 cards. Then we have, oh, an embossing folder. That's fun. It's a little different. So let me open that up. And this one's by Doris, and this is what it'll look like once you emboss it. It's got all the different birthday celebration words on there. That's cool. And you know what I like about this is one thing you can do with it is you could emboss it, and then if you wanted, you could cut one out. You could cut out this whole celebrate and just have that separate. Because these are all, you know, they're not intertwined, so you could definitely cut them apart and then have all these different sentiments. That would be fun. So I like that. Ooh, here's the die. Oh, it's a frame and a banner. I love that. That is so cool. So I'll bet there are some good choices in the stamp set. Let's take a look. To frame up. Look at that. Okay. Cut this apart. Oh, and then of course all the sentiments will fit so perfectly in here. So let's take those out and take a look. But yeah, all your sentiments. It's your special day, my gift to you, there is always room for cake, make a wish, and wear the party hat like a crown like that. And then here's our frame, which you could easily, just try not to tear up my paper too much, there we go, frame up any one of the images in here. How fun is that? Yep, a lot of choices there. So this set will be super fun to break into. Yeah, all right, if it is still available, I will absolutely have it linked down below so that you don't miss out on this kit. And then stay tuned because I'll obviously have a video coming with at least, you know, 5 cards. And then yeah, so if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss my next video coming out of me making stuff with this awesome kit. But look at all these goodies that come in there, all the paper, everything's matchy-matchy. All right, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye, everybody.